Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be checking out some new builds from a YouTube channel called Axon Laundry. They're a distributor and they build laundromats, so they do a couple quick walkthroughs of laundromats they build, so I thought this was kind of interesting. Be sure to check out their channel, I'll link it below in the description. But let's check out some of their new build laundromats and see what they're all about. Alright, so this looks like a brand new, or no, it looks like a retool. But definitely go with the gray look. Let's see what it's all about. Dryer wall. Plenty of dryers. I'm surprised they only went with two 75s. Got 645s and a lot of 30s. That usually reflects their machine mix. So I don't think they have a lot of big machines, but let's see what they got. There you see, it looks like they're going for the industrial look. Everything's open up top. Looks like a hip store. Alright, looks like they're gonna have. Nah, I don't think there's two changers. Just because of the different size of the openings. One might be a bill breaker, a card acceptor. Bathrooms, soap machine, dryers. Oh, that's a clean looking install. It's a really nice install like that. I wonder what's over here. They have dryers on the side of the wall too. Oh, they have more dryers on the side here. Holy cow. Nice water closets. Surprised they have more dryers back here. It's an odd spot for the dryers. A lot of machines. Let's see a wash and fold area. Sure, they have their big machines over here by the windows. Well, let's check out another one. I can tell already this is looking like the exact same laundromat, but it's a different laundromat. And let's see what's going on. Looks like they're gonna have a wash and fold area. It's behind the counter. I like how they did that. I like the soft colors. Okay, so this might be what they're doing at the other store. Let's go back a little bit here. They got a bill breaker, change machine, and I don't know what this could be. This might be a card reader. Well, they got a lot of machines in this store too. Holy cow. All hips machines. Looks like they probably 80s. These are hundreds. Same mix, it looks like. Big 75s. Stacked 45s and 30s. Another nice looking store, man. Soft colors. Looks like tile floor. Ton of machines. I wonder if even that change machine's big enough for this store. Cool. That was another one. You always want to look at, when you're designing your own store, you want to look at as many stores as possible. I love the look of these stores. I would definitely, if I'm designing a new one from scratch, I would kind of copy their blueprint. They're doing a really nice job. Again, if you want to check out the channel, the link's down below. And I love checking out these smaller YouTubers. They have a lot of good stuff to show. So appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next video.